everyone, welcome back to Sister Sibling. Today I am here with the tutorial of Mere Liye Tum Kafi Ho. So it's a sitting dance choreography. So let's begin. So first of all, we will be sitting like this, and before starting the step, let's take the position. So we will be resting both of our hands in their respective side like this, and we will turn our face towards floor. Okay, like this. So let's learn our head movement first. Okay, one, and then down, and then up. Let's do it with hand movements. Our fingers are all closed like this, and we will be doing like this. So 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So if you are doing it, partners face each other, and also those who are doing solo, you can do the same. You can turn towards this side, left side. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And now in 4, take your right hand in its respective side like this. Rest your hand like before. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now bring your left hand and do this. Okay, this, and after this join your both hands, and first of all slightly turn your hand towards left and then right. Okay, 1, 2. And after this again bring your right hand towards up and join both your hands. 1, and again left hand towards up. 2, like 1, 2. It's very simple. All you have to do is you have to work on your expression, and the steps would be really sharp. Okay, so let's do it in lyrics. तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी के जुड़ जाता. Okay, and after this join your hand. You can do either like this, or you can do this. You can do anything like this or this. Okay, so let's do it in lyrics. तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी के जुड़ जाता जैसे. So in जैसे join both your hands, and now do the wave like this from right to left. Okay, 2 times. We have to do wave 2 times. Okay, let's do it in count from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now after doing this, immediately bring your hand in front of your chest and do this mudra. Okay, your finger will be like this, and immediately after this do this, and slowly take hand towards front like this. Okay, 1, and then go towards front like this, like this. Take your hand from your head and bring towards down, and after this the partner in the right side will do this step first, and then another partner will join her right hand. Okay, and then they will just do 1 and 2 together after joining their hands. And if you are doing solo, you can do 1 and join your another hand, and then do the same way 2 times. Okay, so let's do it in lyrics. तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी के जुड़ जाता जैसे 2 नदियों का पानी मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है. And if you are doing solo, तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी, मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है. So our last position was this, and after this take your left hand here and your right hand will be towards back, and do 1 and 2. Okay, 1, 2. First of all left hand and then right hand, like we are just walking. Okay, slightly lean towards front and do the step 1, 2, and in 3 turn your right hand and then turn your left hand, and after this bring your right hand, the left hand will be in the same position, and close, open, close, open. Okay, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी. Now take your right hand towards up, doing like this, turn wise. First of all take your right hand 1 and then 2. Okay, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जाने की जिंद, and after this bring your right hand here and join. Okay, and similarly bring your left hand in the same way, like this, turn wise. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it in lyrics. जाना तुझे तो है बात जाने की जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी. Okay, so after this right hand will come here and left hand will come here, and they will just do this. Right hand will come towards left and left hand towards right, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again in the same position 2. So let's do it in lyrics. I don't know the lyrics exactly, but I will try my best. जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जाने के जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी मुझे. Okay, so after this मुझे, do this मुझे mu, and in J like this. Do this, do like same. Before we have already done 1, 2. Okay. Na 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 na. मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है. Okay. मुझे, now in हर पल bring your both hand, okay, towards front, and रहना है, in रहना है just make your left hand like this, close your all finger, and right hand will point towards watch. Okay, time. रहना है मुझे हर पल. Okay, got it? After this तेरे साथ रहना है. Immediately after this join both of your hands and bring towards chest. After this join, slightly lean towards front. After this slightly leans towards front and join and bring. Okay, bring, and then first of all right hand will go up, left hand will go down, and left hand will go up and right hand will go towards down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 2 times or 4 times. Let's do it in lyrics, then we will know. Okay. जाना तुम्हें तो है बात जाने की जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ बहना है. Our last position was this. So after this we will turn our face towards left diagonal and do the step with our right hand. So I will teach you from down to up, and then bring both hand and join and make cross, and then rest it in the floor, and your face will be also facing towards floor. This and 3 right hand, left hand. Okay, and after this 4 right hand will be at the back side and left hand will be in the front side, and then flip it and then back to the same position. Okay, 1 2. Let's do it in lyrics. So last position was this, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे आधा. Okay, now do the step with your right hand. Left hand will be in the same position, आधा. Okay, from front to up, from front to up. Okay, and now after this take your right hand towards his side 1 and left hand towards his side 2. 1 2. Let's do it in lyrics. तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएंगे. Okay, immediately after this take both of your hand here and make flower. Okay, 1 2, and then face your turn your face towards right side and do this step slowly. Okay, 1 roll down. So let's do it in lyrics up to here and then we will move forward. तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएंगे अपनी एक जिंदगानी. And now bring both of your hands. Right hand will be here and left hand will be down. So join. Okay, join both hands. Your face will also turn towards floor while doing this, and while doing this turn towards camera. 1. So we were doing it partners, so I did it first and my sister did the same step in the next step. So if we are doing in partner, the partner in the right side will do the step first and the partner in the left side will do the same step and you will get pause for some second here. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 4. Okay, just wave and wave. And if you are doing solo, you can do like similarly same kind of step. You will do the same step and you will turn towards hand and then you will turn your face towards camera if you are doing solo. Let's do it in lyrics. तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएंगे अपनी एक जिंदगानी. ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको. Okay, after this bring your right hand from here to here and then smile. The lyrics is खुशियाँ भगा देंगे, so we will just smile. Okay, smile and then do the step with your right hand. Go. Okay, like this. Roll, and after this left hand will go up and right hand will join here, and then again right hand will do the same step and left hand will support right hand. Okay, 2. The lyrics is खुशियाँ भगा देंगे हर गम को. Now तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो. Point towards camera. तुम and in साथ join. Right hand here, left hand here. साथ. Okay, and after this up down. Okay, move your shoulder. 1 2. तुम साथ हो फिर क्या तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो. Okay, so immediately after moving your shoulder, you will open both hand and now again move your shoulder 1 2. Okay, so let's do it in lyrics. Last portion was this. खुशियाँ भगा देंगे हर गम को, तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो. Okay, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. So after this, bring your right hand here, left hand here, and मेरे लिए. Okay, right hand will be here. Just roll your hand and bring your chest slightly towards front. Okay, so right hand will go here and left hand will come up and right hand will go down. Okay, मेरे लिए, and the hand will be in the same position and we will just do lip sync. मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो while doing the step in काफी हो. मेरे लिए तुम. So while doing मेरे लिए we will turn towards floor and मेरे लिए, and in तुम we will face camera, and in काफी हो we will just rest our hand in the floor, or yeah, we can rest our hand like this. So yes, I think after this the music will start. So मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो. Now the music part will start, so let's learn that. Very small part is left. Okay, so let's start. So immediately after this, something this kind of music will be on, and yeah, your left hand will be like this and your right hand will just imagine like we are just playing guitar. Okay, and yes, that's it. So we will first turn towards this side, left side, and then right, turn wise. Okay, so first of all towards left side, 1 2, we'll just face and we will just do like we are playing guitar. 1 2 3 and 4, and after 4 roll your hand like this. Okay, like this, 2 3 and 4. We will play guitar 4 times and do roll this 4 times, and again play guitar 4 times and then again roll 4 times. So it's easy, it's not so difficult. Just go with the music. So let's do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and after this like this kind of music is there. And so bring your right hand from here, like doing this, like just imagine like you are playing keyboard or piano. Okay, like this, tunun. Okay, after doing it with your right hand, then do the same step with your left hand, tunun tunun. Okay, and join, and then 1 2 3 4, and that's it, I think. Yeah, so let's do it in count. Okay, from here. So our last position was this: 1 2 3 4, roll 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 roll, 1 2 3 4, roll 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 roll, keyboard, and then up, and then in the left side, up. So this is our entire choreo. So let's do it from beginning. And I want to say you that I think one step I have done differently. This, while we do, I think I have taught you in beginning, like after this, तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी. I did this It's not this, or you can either do this. This will also look good. But our step was join and then open. Join, open, and do the rest of this step. So you can also do this, but in our video we have done join and then open. So yeah, you can do either. I forgot to mention before. So yeah, let's get started from the beginning. In lyrics, तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी, मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है, जाना तुझे तो है बात जाने के, जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी, मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे, तो बन जाएंगे अपनी एक जिंदगानी, ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगे हर गम को, तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the entire choreo. I hope you all will love to learn it. If you are uploading our choreo in Instagram, then don't forget to use hashtag sister sibling choreography, so that we will not miss any of your video. So yeah, we will be back again with another video very soon. Stay tuned and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.